Hi, it's Darnell with Woodfire Outdoor Recipes. Today I'm going to be grill smoking cod fillet. I'm going to be using the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill for that. I'm going to be using some all-purpose blend pellets. The cod fillet is just going to be seasoned only with lemon pepper seasoning, so it's going to have the lemon pepper seasoning and the smoke. We'll see how that turns out, and so you can see how to do it if you want to do it as well. And so let's get cooking right now. Okay, so I hope you can see the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill here. Going to turn it to the grill setting, and for the temperature I'm going to bring it down to a medium instead of high. And cook time, I'm going to make it, like an even 30. I don't know if it's going to need that long, but we'll just start out with 30. Going to hit the wood fire so that we get some smoke going. I'm going to go ahead and hit start, let things ignite, preheat, and when I come back I'll have the fish going onto the grill. Alright, so it's still preheating here, but I've got the iGrill 2 set up in the cod fillet here. It's a 1.5 pound cod fillet, and once things are warmed up we'll go ahead and get it on in there. And just to be clear for everyone, the cod fillet is not frozen, but if you wanted to see how to cook one on an indoor cooker from frozen, there are videos here on the channel for that. There's over 800 other videos here on the channel. There's a full review of this cooker as well, and so there's plenty of other videos and things to enjoy, and other types of cooks, anything you're interested in. If it's either this or a countertop cooker, it's here. I've got a D-Grill channel where I've used a lot of outdoor grill work and done a lot of outdoor grill cooks on that, or different outdoor grills. So you can also check out D-Grill, that's D-Space Grill, where if you want to just see full up outdoor grills that aren't electric, you can see that there. Alright, time to add the food. So putting that on. There we go. So go ahead and close up, let things cook. I found it interesting that it starts igniting the wood pellets and then it starts preheating more after it seems to ignite the wood pellets. It seems like maybe it should preheat halfway, and if it were able to start igniting the wood pellets while the preheat was still going on, maybe you wouldn't have, it seems like a waste of pellets almost that it starts igniting first, and so there's a lot of smoke going on before the preheat is done. You put your food on. Seems like if they started igniting further into the preheat, it would conserve the pellets a little bit to have a little longer life on the smoke during the cook. But just my take. I'll bring you back when it looks like things are closer to done. Okay, about 18 minutes have passed. The meat temperature is up to 150, so a little more than 145, but we're going to stop it there. I did see when it was 145, but I had to get my utensils and stuff together, so that took a minute. But this is how things look. Tell me what you think, all smoked up. So now I'm going to turn the iGrill 2 off. Get the probe out of there. See if I can get it out of here. Alright, that's taken care of. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the meat into this pan here, and I'll see you inside. There we go. Get it all off. I didn't flip it over or anything. I left it all on the same side the entire time. So the back, I'm sure, is very well grilled with grill marks, but I'm not going to try flipping it over here. But I'll see you inside. Alright, so got things inside. It's had a little time to rest, reabsorb juices. There you go. Going to go ahead and just cut a piece off here for taste test purposes. See that there? Well, kind of flops onto the plate, but get a couple pieces off. There we go. I don't know if I can lift it up to show you the bottom, but like I said, I'm sure there's some grill mark on there. I don't want to miss I don't want to, it's too delicate. I don't want to mess it up. Just trying to show you the back side, but pretty sure that there's some grill mark there. Usually there is, so pretty sure there is. But anyway, the goal was to grill it up nice and get some smoke on it, and I think that from the looks of it, that's been achieved, but we'll determine that for sure through the taste test. So thank God for some cod. Let's go ahead and taste. Here we go. I'll have some more. Now it tastes pretty good. The way the pellets are designed, they're not, you know, this isn't like a full-up pellet smoker where you're going to smoke fish for several hours to infuse smoke deep into it. Everything is designed to kind of give a topical smoke. So it does have a smoke flavor on the top and taste some of the seasonings on the top. It's not like it's deep infused into the meat like with a full-up pellet smoker would do, or an offset smoker if you know about those, where you're going to smoke something for several hours of really deeply infused smoke into meat. So that's what you get from this type of cooker, but it turned out well. And so it tastes good, and I'm going to have myself some more. But I hope that you did like it. Nothing in this video was sponsored, nothing was given to me. In the video description, there are lots of ways to help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to Amazon shop. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. That's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And there's like a buy me a coffee type of link there. And so basically, with all of that said, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.